Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Lenny the Outdoorsman, where today we're going to review the Jackery 500 to see if it can produce a cup of coffee with this 650 watt Black & Decker 16 ounce pot. Let's give her a go and see what happens. Starting it up. I'm at 99%. And right now, the output is 561 watts. 559, 560. There it goes. It's doing it. It's working hard. You can hear the fan going. Usually you don't hear it. But we'll see how long it's gonna take to do this. But I'm quite surprised that it's doing it, because it's 500 and this is a 650 watt coffee pot. You may ask, Lenny, why are you going to take a coffee pot out camping with you? Well, why not? You got the Jackery, might as well put it to use. You don't have to. You have your jet boil. I have my French press. You don't have to bring it, but why not? So what are we at now? 560 watts. On the 97%. I think we started at 99, I believe. It's probably going to take a couple of minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. But so far, quite impressed with this. I purchased this off Amazon. This is not a sponsored video by any means. And this is the perfect size for camping. But I'll do a review on that another time. This one today, we're just seeing what we can do here. And as you can see, it's doing it. 2 minutes in. What are we at now? 95%. Still 560 watts. 559. Must be getting close now. Halfway. Down to 94%. So it really sucks the juice out, because we're putting it to its max. But if you're out camping, you'll probably have a set of solar panels with you, so you'll have, as long as you got some sun, some sort of sun, you'll have no problem charging this up. I've used this already with my electric cooler, charging my phone up, charging some batteries up. And this thing has no problem doing that, as long as you keep it under the 500 watt capacity. And we're getting there now. And it's, compact size. It's not that big to bring with you. They give you another cup with it, but I'm just using this one to keep my coffee probably a little bit warmer, a little bit longer than the one they give you. Plus I think it's either some kind of plastic, or it could break if you drop it. We're getting close now. We're 4 minutes in. So what's a little bit of luxury when you're out camping, right? Like I say, you can have your jet boil, your French press, boil water over the kettle, I guess, or over the fire. Whatever you want to do, but you know what? If you have the technology, why not? Yeah, it sounds like we're wrapping it up. It's coming to an end. And also it produces it at the perfect temperature to drink. Yeah, I think it just kicked off now. We're down to 91%. So I've used approximately 8% to make a cup of coffee. Perfect cup of joe. Until next time, enjoy the outdoors with a good cup of joe. Man, that's good coffee.